What's up guys, I just finished my gym session. I just had to fit that in before I pick up my friend from the airport. I thought, why not just talk to you guys and answer a few questions that commonly come up in the calls. The most common question that I get is, how shall I run my Facebook ads? Running Facebook ads is very simple. As long as your creative's good and your product is good and your website is good, those three things, you'll make money. So I always recommend subscribers to start with a store with one niche, 3 to 5 subcategories, and then within these subcategories you have about 10 to 20 products. And this will give you a higher chance of finding a winning product. Another common question is, how do I find my winning products? Literally, you don't need to use these spy tools, you don't need to pay like Minia.com, you don't need to pay Dropship.io to find products. You literally go on AliExpress and you find your products. That's how I find my products. Once you found some good products, you then head over to the supplier's store and then you go and find products in their store. And the key is to find untapped products and also winning products. So this way you can actually start selling winning products with Facebook ads, but you can also find your own winning products so that you don't have any competition. It's just you, yourself, and your Facebook ads. So now that we know how to find our products, literally AliExpress, you then use DSers to import it to your Shopify store. I know there's a lot of gurus talking about like Auto DS, Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, but trust me guys, they're not in it for your own benefit. They're in it for their own benefit and they just want the affiliate money. And yeah, the reason why I never recommend Auto DS, Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping is because they are a middleman that interferes with your fulfillment chain. When you do go with these fulfillment apps, you can never talk to your suppliers. You can never ask for their winning products. You can never ask for new products that they've listed. You can never communicate with them. You can never just do pretty much anything because you can't talk to your suppliers. Now back to the question, how do I run ads? Guys, it's as simple as this. One campaign, 5 ad sets, and 3 ads inside. And now let your ad run for 2 days, and then you want to analyze your metrics. Now, if you don't know what columns to put to your ad manager, I do have a video for that. But the key metrics that you're looking for is CPM, cost per click, cost per result, your add to cart, your initiate checkout, your purchases, your ROAS, and purchase value. When you're running campaigns, what you're trying to do is figure out what's the best creative, your best ad copy, and your best products. Once you found them, and once you found a winning formula, you basically just scale to the moon by increasing budgets and just duplicating the ad sets. So basically, there are 2 ways to assign your budgets. The first method is assigning the budget at campaign level, and Facebook will have control on where the money is distributed amongst the ad sets. The second method is assigning the budgets at ad set level. I prefer to start with ad set level optimization. With this, it's because you can have control over where your budget is spent. Now people may ask, how much should I be spending a day? Okay, so it all depends on your average order value for your products. I always recommend an average of $50, and that's why I say spend around $50 a day. If your average order value is around $30, then I suggest $30 a day. And you won't see any sales within the first 2 days, but if you do, you essentially hit the jackpot. There's also another big question, is going broad or going interest? I know there's a lot of gurus and strategies out there saying go broad, go interest, go broad, go interest. Look guys, it's all about testing when you're running ads. Nobody knows what will work for your ad account. And for 2 years, broad was working brilliantly for me, right? But for the past 2-3 months, interest targeting has been working amazingly for me. And that's why I always recommend people to just keep on testing.
Back here, big shots.
Ooh. Nice shot. Not bad, sure.
Not bad at all.
It's a worldie.
Fine, I'm not. Nice and shiny. Yo, what's up guys? The next day now, Saturday evening. I'm just gonna pop out with my friends before I fly, have a few drinks, and hopefully we'll do an impulse karaoke session, but who knows. But yeah, usually we don't see GTRs like that and Aston Martins driving around in London, and GTR is one of my dream cars that I want to get in future. Even though I have the money to buy a GTR, I don't have a GTR now because it's just a liability, and whenever I buy things I always think about the ROI. And right now, I just don't see the return on investment on buying a GTR. Especially with all the potholes, the speed bumps, speeding cameras everywhere in London. It's like, what's the point of even buying a nice car? My friend has a GTR and he literally doesn't even drive it unless he's going to a racetrack. Because he can't even fit through width restrictions as well. So yeah, it's a tough decision. What's up guys, Monday morning and today is just crazy. Everything's just popping off. We got DFE posting on GME subreddit Super Stonk for the first time in 3 years, and he's basically posted an update on his positions, and now he has 210 million in GME shares and call options. That is just insane. So basically I didn't get any sleep today. Went to the opticians to get a prescription, so when I go to South Korea I could basically get new glasses and contact lenses there. Now I'm just trying to get some South Korean won, but I'm not too sure if this place will have South Korean ones for us. Alright, so unfortunately they don't have the South Korean ones. Right, so we managed to get our Korean ones, 1.2 milli's worth, and now final packing before we head to the airport. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you in the next one where I'll be showing you around South Korea. Peace.